Hi everybody, this is Chris and I wanted to record this lecture so you could watch it as many times as you want. I've got my daughter, Harper, here. She's going to help be my camera woman. Say hi, Harp.
Hi.
All right, so we're going to get going here. We're going to start over here. I'm going to need you to draw a beaker, just like what I've drawn here, and this is similar to what's in the book. The other thing I want you to do is then take the water that you cut out from your images that I gave you and put that near the top. And then we're going to take our solutes. So remember, solutes are just things that are dissolved within water. So if you think about salt water or sugar water, the salt or the sugar are just the solutes dissolved in the water. So we're going to take our solute and we're going to drop it into the water, into this beaker. And these are our little purple dots. You don't have to put all of them there. So I want you to do that. Here's your water. And I want you to now show me what diffusion would look like. So I'm going to give you a minute to try to figure that out. All right, so remember, diffusion, things want to spread out evenly because of Brownian movement. So these solutes are going to move until they are evenly distributed in the water, in the solution. So there should be about equal amount of space between all of them. So that would be diffusion. Now we're going to move over here to a cell and see what that would look like if we were using cells in the body rather than just a beaker. So we're going to take these solutes, and we'll put some outside here. We'll put more of them in the cell. And we can just imagine that this cell is closed. You can ignore that opening for now. So I want you to take a second and go ahead and move your solutes around and show me what diffusion would look like in the body. So things are going to move across this cell membrane until they're evenly distributed. So we're going to end up with 5 inside and 5 outside. And that's what diffusion would look like in an actual cell in the body. And what did we call it when we moved from an area of high concentration to where there were less originally to an area of low concentration? That was called moving down a pressure gradient. Excuse me, down a gradient, not a pressure gradient, just a gradient. All right, now we're going to go back to our beaker. And we're going to add our water.